Aesthetic YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Watch to the end to learn how to create a similar one. Let's get started the video without wasting a time. First, we will go to Canva and select the YouTube size. Then we will choose the thumbnail image from Pinterest. If you have your own images, then you can select those. I have already downloaded it so that we don't waste anyone's time. So now we will drag our images and adjust them to our desired positions. As the images have been adjusted, if you want, you can also choose grid frames where you can easily place your images. After adjusting the images, select the objects you want to outline, remove their background, and adjust them like this, because if someone doesn't have Magic Grab for free, they can still easily give an outline this way. And click on the Edit button. Then scroll down and click on the Shadow option. After that, click on Outline, choose the color white, and now place this image over the background image. Adjust it properly so that the background image object is not visible, and crop the remaining extra area. Then scroll down and click on the Shadow option. After that, click on Outline, choose the color white. Now, in the same way, we will add an outline to the other images as well. As you can see, all our images have been outlined, and they look so aesthetic now. Now, to add the title, we will select text and choose the headline option. We will write the topic, Day in My Life, and then choose a font. You can select any font you like, and I will choose a nice aesthetic font here. We will choose white as the text color. Make the text larger and adjust it to the center so that it becomes clearly visible. Now click on the Effects option, and then click on Shadow to apply the effect to your text. Adjust the color and shadow details. Then scroll and select the Curve option and adjust it. Now select the Elements option, and to make your thumbnail more eye-catching and aesthetic, add elements like stars, arrows, sparkles, or doodles. If you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe. I'll keep bringing you more beautiful and aesthetic videos that will make your channel's content look eye-catching and aesthetic. As you can see, our aesthetic and eye-catching thumbnail is ready. This makes your videos look more attractive and helps boost your channel. We have created the aesthetic thumbnail using Canva step by step. I hope you enjoyed the video. This tutorial. If you found this helpful, click on the subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.